Hey guys, it's Tony. We are seeing a quick little run up on the doggy side right here. We are looking like it's going to cross that 1 hour MACD on the bullish side. Right, if you guys can see on the middle right here, I don't have a pointer, but we actually created fresh bearish candles on the lower side on the MACD, which was a little bit alarming because I wasn't 100% sure we were headed. And we are currently right now, we are bearish on the 4-hour chart, right? But for the day chart, for the week chart, we're still completely bullish, which I'm completely fine with. It doesn't seem like we're going to be stopping, but it is following the same pattern as Bitcoin. So I'm not 100% sure if I'm okay with that or not. Because before, I know that whenever Bitcoin dumped, doggy went up. And at this point, I'm not 100% sure if I'm okay with that, but if we think that, obviously, if they have correlation now, that's kind of okay, right? Because if we think Bitcoin is going to go up to 100 grand eventually, then DogeCoin is going to keep going up and it's going to follow that same direction, right? But it's really a lot of money that's going out of from other like stuff that's getting delisted from Coinbase, right? Like XRP or what is it? I don't know if Stellar Lumens might get listed eventually because it's connected somehow, but yeah, I mean it's starting to follow the patterns of Bitcoin, which I'm not sure if I'm okay with yet, but as of right now, it is looking like it's about to cross that hour MACD on the bullish side, which I'm pretty happy about. So we might see another run up towards that 0.13, forgot what it was. I think 0.132 level, and then cross that, and then we will probably hit 2 cents after that if we do end up crossing it and actually pushing through that resistance. So we'll see. It's gonna happen like in the next hour or two. I think we're gonna see a push up, or it's not gonna push up, and we're probably gonna go back down to like 0.056.